Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Hello, do you guys hear me?
Walaikum assalam.
Today I'm gonna start like the business development things, like from where we are going to start our journey, and kya seriously Upwork is more reliable nowadays, how people can get the clients, how people win the projects, how people start working on this platform, क्या आपका अकाउंट टॉप रेटेड होना टॉप रेट प्लस होना ज़रूरी है या नहीं, how we can set up the profile, how we can initially do the steps to create our account. Like we not all are from tech industry, and we are from different industries. कोई ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर भी होगा, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर भी होगा, कोई किसी और फील्ड में होगा, किसी का एक्सपीरियंस अकाउंटिंग्स में ज़्यादा होगा, किसी का एक्सपीरियंस समहाउ किसी और फील्ड में होगा. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन योर ऑन फील्ड दैट यू आर राइट नाउ वर्किंग ऑन इंडस्ट्री इन द मार्केट. Like मैं business developer हूँ. I am working since for past 7 years. In that particular 7 years, I have been created my account on Upwork, on Fiverr, and gradually growing my LinkedIn profile as well. So getting lot of opportunities, getting lot of clients, winning more projects, bigger projects, large scale projects. So I have, I'm just sharing my screen so that give you a proper overview the things that we are gonna learn. So today I will just let you know like what exactly Upwork is. So what you have to do, you simply have to create first of all your account. It's totally depend on your niche, that what you are targeting. For example, I'm a game developer and I make my profile as a game developer. अब मैं सिंपली यहाँ पे जाऊँगा. I had an option and I'll just simply search related to content writer. For example, I need a content writer profile that I want to see कि वो क्या क्या services दे रहा है. I'll go type and search and I get the results. So once I'll get the results, then मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं उसको proper analysis करूँगा कि what the services they are providing, what the things they have been working, and how the things were going on. So simply मैं Upwork पे आया, I have set up my account, I have done everything. Now the next step is like I have to search the profiles who's providing the services that you are looking for. Like if I am a game developer, तो मैं game development से related services ढूंढूंगा. जो developers, जो experts अपनी services sell कर रहे हैं, मैं उनकी profiles को hunt करूंगा. I'll see उनमें से जो जो चीज़ें मेरे skills के मुताबिक fit suit बैठ रही होंगी. I'll simply grab that particular things and save it into my docs. So right now I just search content writer, and content writer search करने के बाद I got multiple results. So let's target top rated plus freelancers and top rated. So what I get from there, they have multiple earnings, they have job success rate, they just provided you a proper overview that what the services they are providing. For example, अब ये content writer है, he's living in UK, and he's just letting the people know that I'm an experienced content writer open to freelance work. I have years of experience ranging over different platforms, specializing in sports, iGaming, technology, finance, travel, among others. So he have almost around, I think so, 7 years of experience, and he has completed around multiple jobs. So like there's 85 jobs are in progress and 80 jobs have been completed. So since so far, so he's just giving his best, and he's a top rated freelancer. So what he just did, he just selling his services to the clients. People came, they just post the work, and you just applied on that particular job. For example, मैं app developer हूँ, और I found a job who just posted 5 minutes ago that I'm looking for an app developer who know that how to complete the play console task. He give you the summary of his job, what he's just looking for. For example, he just said that hello, I need Android app developer. My task App task, I have 3 apps. All apps are developed and tested. All files are ready. I want long-term collaboration. For more details, can apply this job. I'm waiting for your collaboration. So he is, his phone number is verified, but he is not a verified user. But when you is just reading the job, you have to analysis, you have to find that the person who just posted that particular job, he is authentic person or not. तो ये किस तरह से आएगा, ये एक्सपीरियंस के साथ 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 आएगा. लाइक somehow when you is just diving into that particular things, आप इन चीज़ों को देखोगे. When you are just seeing that what kind of, जब जब जॉब सर्च इज बेसिकली मेन पर्पज है हमारा. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग पे जाता हूँ और ये हमारे पास सर्च बार है, हम यहाँ से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. एंड अबव वी हैव here another option, search option. Just simply type whatever you wants to search. So आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, you'll be able to find whatever you wants to find. और यहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हो, simply लिखा, enter कर दिया. So I got multiple jobs that have been posted by multiple clients, Canadian clients, US, Canada, US, Canada, like rest of the searches. So what we have to do, we have to find the top best job which meets our skill set. Like for example, मैं graphic designer हूँ, I know that how to design emails, I know that how to design social images, I know that how to optimize images, I know the web graphics, I know e-commerce based social media postings. So once I get that, I'll get into the summary. अब मैं ये पूरी summary को read करूँगा and I'll be reviewing that what clients requiring. अब यहाँ पे मैं उसके stats देख सकता हूँ. About the client, I know that the client is from US, he is living in Inwood, he has like 88 job posted and have 56 high rate, and then have spent 205k total spend from since 2018. Okay, like he's a genuine client, but its hourly rate is too low. Like he's able to pay 5.21 average rate. So in the job post he just mentioned the $6 to $8 per hour rate. So initially when you're starting your journey, try to reduce your rate. Like for example, abhi mera $30 per hour rate hai, and clients sending me proposals. I have multiple projects running right now. तो मैं इनिशियली जब मेरा स्टार्टिंग होगा, सो व्हाट आई डू इज, मैं 5 या $10 पर आवर के हिसाब से अपना प्रोफाइल का रेट सेट करूँगा. सो एज आई विल लेट द क्लाइंट नो दैट आई एम अ बिगनर, and in my beginner journey I am just new on this platform, and in this platform I'm just providing multiple services. अब multiple services तो provide कर रहा हूँ, but somehow मुझे उस multiple services को provide करने के लिए I have to build my profile. जो प्रोफाइल मेरे एक्सपीरियंस को शो करेगा, उस पर मेरी डिस्क्रिप्शंस हैं, मेरा टाइटल है, मेरी उसके बाद स्किल सेट्स हैं, वट एवर द स्किल सेट्स आई एम वर्किंग ऑन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट हिस्ट्री है, एंड there's a portfolio he didn't mention there. So for example, if I'll go into one of my company's profile, so I'm handling this profile for since past 2 years, and I have all the access of that particular profiles. That I have opened multiple profiles right now on my tabs, and I'm handling around like 15 to 20 accounts in a day. So which is not an easy task, seriously, but still I'm doing that because I know the smart work. I don't deal with the hard work, I do the smart work and get myself easy. So you also have to do the same thing, but gradually आपको उसको सीखना पड़ेगा, सीखते रहोगे. When you know that how to win the client, when you know that how to write the cover letter, when you know that how to pitch the client, how to write something attractive that attract to client, that client will be in a situation that he just feel like यार इस बंदे ने जो लिख दिया ना, ये बंदा सही कह रहा, like no one else is just doing that particular thing. So what I do is, like I have mentioned every single detail that what we are providing in our 8 years of game development experience, we have been developing full cycle game development. We have an experience with Unity, Unreal Engine. We'll be able to deal with multiplayer and networking based, photon fusion based. These are the you can say tools that we just simply use for multiplayer and networking. Then we are providing AR VR game services. So whatever you are just providing, simply wrote here. And from where you can find, I just already told you, go search the profiles, top rated and top rated plus profiles, and there you'll find multiple profiles. और उन profiles में से देखो कि कौन कौन से लोग ऐसी services दे रहे हैं जो कि आप भी दे सकते हो. Simply वहां जाओ. If you do that particular thing, simply copy that, open a notepad, save it. Go to the next profile, find another thing, simply copy that, paste it. Once you had all of this, then I'll let you know that what you have to do next. Then you have to upload your portfolio here. As much portfolio you will gonna upload here, you will get more chances to your profile get viewed. Then you have to go down, have to update the skill sets, have to make the project catalogs. Like these are the catalogs is just like Fiverr gigs. If you don't know what is Fiverr, तो बेसिकली आप क्या करते हैं कि आप यहाँ पे एक अपनी सर्विसेज देते हैं. You just sell your services by letting the client know that you will get Unity 2D 3D navigating, complex remodification and bug resolutions. For example, you're an app development expert, so what you'll get, what sort of project catalogs you have to make. Simply you'll be able to develop your iOS Android app with Flutter. If you have an experience in AI, then you simply mention that I'll be create some generative AI apps for you. I'll be able to create Flutter apps for you. Same goes with the graphic design and content writing. Whatever else your field is, that doesn't matter. Just go search it out and look into the things that you have been experienced in, and you don't know that how to do that. Just simply wrote everything in notepad, और जब आप वो सारी चीजें लिख लोगे, then I will let you know the next step. अब देखो ये graphic designer है. She is the graphic designer and she providing multiple things like logos, flyers, posters, banners, brochures, postcards, door hangers, like multiple things. So there's multiple of vendors who's providing multiple sort of services. Some people are providing 3D, some people are providing 2D services. Like it's totally depend upon what you are just providing. So coming to the point. Okay, back just a second. So once you have done that, then what you have to do, you simply have to where's the profile, okay. So then you have to update your languages, you have to add your education, then you have to add your employment history wherever you're working on. That doesn't matter, just simply mention here. Once you've done that, your profile will be created. So simply if I'll go, I just open up an account. So you have to search upwork.com. There you have to just sign in up. Once you just sign up, then you are a freelancer. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Simply apply as a freelancer. अब mostly यहाँ पे बहुत से लोगों के already Upwork accounts बने होंगे, but they won't know that what mistake they are doing, what they have to change in their profile, how they have to update the things, how they have to write the cover letters. So it's totally you have to learn every single step. For example, मैंने इसको setup करना है, I'll be able to continue with Google, I'll be able to continue with Apple, I'll be able to manually input every field. So simply go and simply create your account first of all, and once you've done that, then I'll be able to let you know that how you have to optimize your overall Upwork profile. Like if I'll show you some stats of this profile. So So in last 90 days we have 201 profile views and around 6 invites and multiple sort of impressions. And if I'll go into my profile, then I have 154 profile views. In last 90 days I got 35 invites. In last 90 days I have around 336 impressions and 18 clicks. So I have declined a lot of proposals. I have declined a lot of jobs which won't suits best with my skill set. So I got a lot of clients. I have multiple engagement with the clients. Like on the last night, I got a client, and she wants me to develop a story game, and she just wants to get develop the game in Unity. And before that she just decided to go with phaser, but I suggest her, like, rather going with phaser we have to decide to go with Unity or Unreal Engine. So it's totally depend on you, like what you is just doing, how you is just dealing with the client. Like I have multiple projects that have been closed. So if I'll simply show you one of mine, this one. So I am making a football manager game for VR in VR, and like it's totally depend on you, like what the services you are selling and the services you are providing to the people. आपको इस चीज़ का पता होना चाहिए कि how you have to pitch. If you don't know that how you have to pitch, then you never gonna win that job. आप फिर 100 bids करो, 200 bids करो, 300 bids करो, then you'll simply go and message that यार यहाँ से client नहीं win कर सकते यार, ये चीज़ ही बेकार है. नहीं, you didn't give your 100% best. Like how you have to do that, I will let you know. I'll explain each and everything. I will tell you that how you have to write the cover letters. Like if I'll go and show you, like every time I wrote multiple sort of proposals. Like recently I got a chance, I bid on an AI based project, and just a second. Yesterday I do the bid on that particular job. It's like an 8N job. He required an AI automation expert who will be able to handle his project. So what I did is I simply read his job post very carefully. The very first step is to read the job carefully and see what client's requirement will be. Are you able to do that? If you're not able to do that, so I will let you know like how you can handle that. Like he just mentioned that, hi everyone, I need an AI automation expert to come in and help build workflows and automation to take away admin tasks from me and the team to help with service delivery to client as well, like reporting or communication, etc. So you just provide multiple all of this work related description here. I wrote the cover letter, Salam alaikum Ali, because he is a Muslim. So when you are going to bid on a job who's a Muslim, so start with our you know Assalamu alaikum and whatever we used. Okay, so as recently our Eid just passed, I just mentioned him like how's you and how's the Eid. This is the pitch line. I use the pitch line to let the client know that he, once he just read the cover letter, he'll know that he's the person who just read my entire job and wrote everything by his own. Even I have used chat GPT to wrote that. ये जो पहली लाइंस है ना, ये पहली लाइंस आपकी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि क्लाइंट कहे कि वाकई इसी ने लिखा. There's no one else who's, क्योंकि आजकल चैट जीपीटी क्या करता है, यू जस्ट सिंपली प्रोवाइड हिम दी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड आस्क हिम टू प्रोवाइड द कवर लेटर, तो वो आपको कवर लेटर दे देता है बट इट्स टोटली एआई जनरेटेड. व्हाट आई डू इज मैं खुद से लिखता हूँ, लिखने के बाद मैं उसको रिफाइन करवाता हूँ चैट जीपीटी से कि won't change anything, just perfect the grammar, perfect the mistakes, and give me the best cover letter so that I can share to my client. मैं उसको जॉब पोस्ट देता हूँ, मैं उसको अपना कवर लेटर देता हूँ, ही जस्ट combine each other and make a best one for me. और फिर उसके बाद then I'll read that cover letter again, I'll make the changes in it, I'll give some human based touches, and then I'll submit the proposal. So once I'll submit it, I'll get multiple sort of responses. Like I just simply mentioned the recent work that I said his. I recently worked on rework.ai for a US client, Chris Marion, for about 10 years. I built the whole platform from scratch, designing and setting up AI agents, connecting multiple APIs and creating automation workflows to make everything run smoothly and boost productivity. So what I did, जो मैंने चीज़ बनाई जो कि उसके प्रोडक्ट से सिमिलर थी, मैंने उस चीज़ को सबसे पहले मेंशन करते साथ एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, और मैंने साथ ही मेंशन कर दिया कि एंड बीइंग एन एक्सपर्ट आई कैन हेल्प विद AI IFY. So he just mentioned that particular thing in his job post, that he just need long term collaboration to help with ALIFY. Almost everything is in his business. So I just pitched that line. Then I just mentioned that I have experience with multiple sort of stacks. मैंने वो stacks सारे mention कर दिए. I even mentioned some sort of links with him so that वो देख सके कि मैंने कौन कौन से furthermore और projects किए. Then I simply mentioned that I'm ready for a quick interview call and ready to present my projects with you and kickstart the project right after your decision. Talk soon. उसने वो आया, उसने सिंपली मैसेज किया कि थैंक्स फॉर अप्लाइंग, कैन यू बुक इन अ टाइम विद मी हेयर टू स्पीक. अब मेरे पास मीटिंग का लिंक आ गया, मैं इस पर सिंपली क्लिक करूंगा, मैं मीटिंग स्केड्यूल करूंगा. अब मीटिंग स्केड्यूल करने के बाद मैं इतना तो एक्सपर्ट हूँ कि यार मैंने जिस जॉब पे अप्लाई किया, आई नो दैट पर्टिकुलर टेक्निकल नॉलेज, मुझे पता है कि यार मैं किस चीज़ पे काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता है मैंने किस चीज़ पे अप्लाई किया है, जो क्लाइंट चीज़ मांग रहा है मैंने उस चीज़ से रिलेटेड काम किया हुआ है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, आई सिंपली लेट हिम नो इन द मीटिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन, secondly I'll present my projects, and the last one I'll grab the knowledge from him of his project. मैं उससे पूछूंगा कि तुम क्या बनवाना चाह रहे हो, what you need from me, तुम्हें किस किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. मैं अपने सजेशंस दूंगा, उसके थॉट्स लूंगा, मैं उसकी पूरी स्टोरी लाइन सुनूंगा. आफ्टर दैट आई आस्क हिम फॉर अ प्रपोजल डॉक्यूमेंट, कि मुझे अपना प्रपोजल डॉक्यूमेंट दो. आई रिव्यू दैट एंड आई विल लेट यू नो इन अ फ्यू आवर्स और इन अ डे or in 24 to 48 hours I'll create a proper proposal document for you. Like if I'll go and show you some sort of proposal documents, so I recently create one. Yeah, so what I did is, first of all I just create the proposal document banner image, and for that particular banner image we are able to use AI. If you are a graphic designer you can create by your own. So मैं ये भी बताऊंगा किस तरह से बनाएंगे, डोंट वरी. टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी. सबसे पहले मैं प्रोजेक्ट का ओवरव्यू दूंगा कि यार प्रोजेक्ट बेसिकली वो चाह क्या रहा है. ये चीज़ें कहाँ से आई मेरे पास, वंस आई गेट द रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट, वंस आई गेट द प्रपोजल, वंस आई गेट द रिक्वायरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट, मीटिंग से और प्रपोजल रिक्वायरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट से आई गेट दीज डिटेल्स. मैंने इन सिंपल इसको बनाने के लिए मैंने प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू दिया, स्कोप ऑफ वर्क विद फीचर सेट दिया कि फीचर उसका ये है, उसमें स्कोप ऑफ वर्क ये है, and I'll break it down in multiple parts. UI UX design भी है, audio interaction भी है, platform support भी है. For example, if a content writer, then you have to do multiple thing. आपने content लिखना है, आपने कितने पेजेस का कंटेंट लिखना है, आपने किन किन पेजेस के लिए कंटेंट लिखना है. लाइक उसमें मल्टीपल सॉर्ट ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ वर्क होंगे, फीचर सेट्स होंगे. सिंपली you just have to go and ask for GPT to provide you the uh, proposal document template, वट एवर द स्टैक वुड बी. जो भी स्टैक है उससे रिलेटेड उसको क्यूरी दो, मैं आपको वो भी बना के दिखाता हूँ. देन यू विल मेक अ प्रॉपर माइलस्टोन टाइमिंग एंड कॉस्टिंग टेबल, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, देन कंक्लूजन, एंड दैट्स इट. Simply convert it into PDF and submitted it. If I'll go here, I'll simply mention that, hey GPT, I need to create a proposal document for a client who needs me to write a content of around 8 pages, but I won't know that how to make that, as I have to provide him the budget and the timeline. So my hourly rate is around $10, and as per my experience, this gonna take around 2 weeks. And please disclude uh, Saturday and Sunday. So we'll get the proper proposal document template. अब वो क्या करेगा, प्रपोजल बना के देगा हमारे से रिलेटेड। प्रपोजल डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया, प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू आ गया, स्कोप ऑफ वर्क आ गया, understand project goal and content direction, develop an outline with proposal heading and flows, approximately 300 to 400 words per page, ensure alignment with tone। अब ये सारा कुछ प्रोवाइड करके दे देगा, आपको एक प्रॉपर टेम्पलेट दे देगा। वंस यू हैड दैट टेम्पलेट, अब आपको पता है, आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स पढ़े हैं, आपको पता है कि उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, किस तरह से आपने उस डॉक्यूमेंट को बनाना है, हाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ प्रपोजल डॉक्यूमेंट। बट ये बहुत बात की कहानी है। Before that, we have to create accounts, we have to search for the reliable jobs। अब देखो इसने प्रॉपर मुझे टाइमलाइन, कॉस्ट टाइमलाइन ब्रेकडाउन बना दिया। अब मुझे अगर माइलस्टोन्स चाहिए, मैं ऐसे मेंशन कर दूंगा आई नीड द माइलस्टोन्स टू, वो माइलस्टोन्स भी बना देगा। स्टार्ट डेट, वर्किंग डेज, एवरीथिंग इज मेंशनड हियर। सो simply what you have to do is you have to go set up your account। Once you do that, take a screenshot, send in a group। मैं देखूंगा, I'll respond that, and in the meeting I will discuss every point। Whatever the question you had in your mind, ask me। whatever you wants to know, simply ask me। कोई किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है, you don't have to pay me anything, you have to pay here। आप कनेक्ट्स बाय करो यार, बाय करो कनेक्ट्स, बिड करो जॉब्स के ऊपर, अप्लाई करो उनके ऊपर। बिकॉज वंस यू आर इन अ स्टेज कि आप अप्लाई कर रहे होगे, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट रिस्पॉन्सेज। मैं नहीं कहता कि मतलब मैं 10 प्रपोजल्स भेजता हूँ 10 ही रिस्पॉन्स आते हैं, मैं भेजता हूँ तो मुझे रिस्पॉन्सेज ज़रूर आते हैं। लाइक मैं अगर अपना, अब ये देखो, ये मेरी बिड्स हैं, मैंने 61 बिड्स की हैं ओवरऑल, ठीक है। अब मेरे व्यूज़ चेक करो, अभी मैंने कुछ शायद अपडेट भी नहीं की है इसमें से। व्यूड 5 की 3 व्यूड, 3 की 1 व्यू, 2 की 2 व्यू, 4 की 2 व्यू, 3 की 1 व्यू, 5 की, अब 7 लीड्स भी चल रही हैं। अब ये 5 करने के बाद अगर मेरा 1 व्यू होने के बाद 1 लीड आ गई है और ये लीड क्लोज हो गई है, सो इट मीन्स कि मैंने जो पिछली जितनी बिड्स की उन सब के पैसे यहाँ पे पूरे हो गए, एंड इवन मैं प्रॉफिटेबल भी हो गया। तो सिंपली यू डू लॉट ऑफ बिड्स, बट आपने बिड्स ऐसे नहीं करनी कि अन्य वाह कर दिए यार। उसके लिए भी यू हैव टू प्रॉपर डू द एनालिसिस ऑफ द जॉब। आपको प्रॉपर जॉब की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अब देखो ये क्लाइंट है, 10 मिलियन स्पेंड कर चुका है यार, 10 मिलियन स्पेंड कर चुका है, 12 मिलियन सॉरी 12 मिलियन स्पेंड कर चुका है 2020 से अब तक 5 सालों में। और still he is looking for freelancers, still he is looking for person who can work for his who can work with him। तो you have lot of clients here, आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, you have the knowledge, you know that आप मार्केट में वो सर्विसेज दे रहे हो, आप जॉब करके अपनी सर्विसेज वो दे रहे हो, आपको पता है आप फ्रीलांस करके लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हो, बट यू वांट नो दैट हाउ टू गेट योर ऑन क्लाइंट। किस तरह से क्लाइंट से रिलेशन बिल्ड किया जाए, किस तरह से क्लाइंट को विन किया जाए, किस तरह से प्रपोजल सबमिट किया जाए, किस तरह से चीज़ों को लेकर चला जाए। सो नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, जस्ट गिव अ ट्राई योर सेल्फ। कोशिश करो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो, कोई चीज़ जहाँ पे फंस जाओ, I'll be here for you, I'll help you and explain each and every single thing. Whatever the question you have in your mind, ask me, I'll answer to that particular question. No worries. अब किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है, feel free to ask. Hello. Hello.
Yes, first of thing, I have to create an account. Then further, I will tell you or ask you.
What you have to do is simply have to create your account. Account बन गया.
Yes.
Account बनने के बाद you have to take the screenshot, send it on group. मैं देखूंगा
So,
एंड इन द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग मैं बताऊंगा कि हाउ यू हैव टू अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल. अपनी प्रोफाइल में क्या क्या चीज़ें ऐड करनी है, क्या क्या चीज़ें डिस्क्लूड करनी है, किस तरह से ऐड करनी है, किन टूल्स को यूज़ करके ऐड करनी है. वंस वी सेट अप ओवर अकाउंट, देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा हमारा कि हाउ टू राइट द प्रपोजल्स, हाउ टू फाइंड द क्लाइंट्स, हाउ टू बिड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. सिंपल.
sure. Inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह. एनीथिंग एल्स?